Almost everyone who tries to start a football highlight channel in 2026 fails before they even finish their first upload. You spend 6 hours cutting up the perfect match highlights. You pick an epic track, you upload it, and boom, your video is instantly blocked worldwide. Or worse, your channel gets a copyright strike. But then how are channels making thousands of dollars every single month just by posting football edits? It's not luck. It's a specific system. They know exactly how to find topics that are already viral, where to source raw, high-definition footage that the copyright algorithm can't detect, and the exact editing formulas that trigger YouTube's fair use monetization policy. Instead of just telling you about it, let me actually show you what a safe, high-quality, professional football edit looks like. Check this out.
Europe's biggest stage. Portugal down 2-1 against the lethal Spanish side. The clock ticking down, the pressure mounting. But you can never count out the GOAT. This is how Cristiano Ronaldo saves Portugal. Spain tried to squeeze the pitch with a high defensive line. Look at the positioning right here. They thought they had the back line completely locked down, but Portugal exploits the wide channels. A brilliant build-up play from the wing. A perfectly weighted cross whipped into the dangerous area. Look at Ronaldo's movement. He breaks the offside trap with flawless timing. One touch, unstoppable power. Back of the net, 2-2. The stadium completely erupts. Look at that reaction. Look at that mentality. He grabs the ball, silences the doubters, and demands more. At 39 years old, he is still the definition of clinical. Form is temporary, but Cristiano Ronaldo is eternal. I made that entire edit directly on my smartphone without a single copyright issue. If you want to achieve this level of quality, you need to understand the golden rule of football content creation. YouTube's automated system, Content ID, scans every single millisecond of video and audio against a massive database owned by companies like Sky Sports, FIFA, and the Premier League. If you simply download a 2-minute highlight clip from an official TV broadcaster's channel, mute the volume, throw a generic hip-hop beat over it, and upload it, you will get caught. Why? Because you didn't add any value. To actually get monetized, your content must be transformative. This means you are using the footage to tell a new story, provide a deep tactical analysis, or educate the viewer. Today, we are building a video that ticks all those boxes perfectly. But before we download a single clip, we need to know exactly what video to make. If you choose a boring topic, you get 0 views. Let's open up the phone and show you the secret to finding viral football ideas that people are begging to watch right now.
For the viral video idea for the football highlight video, we are going to be using YouTube. Yes, this is one of my favorite tools for doing this. So just go to the search bar on the YouTube app, go to the search bar and just type in a particular player that you like, that you feel is popular. So for me, I'm going to use Cristiano Ronaldo football highlight. Now, the goal of this research is to find a video that is going viral, but the channel has less subscribers. So if you see a video that is going viral, but the channel has less subscribers, it just simply tells you that this particular idea is going viral. People are looking for it. People are interested in watching it. So now once you search for it, you're going to see a lot of videos. The first one has over 19 million views 1 year ago. This one has 11.1 million views. So you can see that Cristiano Ronaldo himself is already a viral topic for you to cover. Let's just check this one of 19 million views. If you click on the channel, you can see that this channel doesn't even have up to 1 million subscribers. If you check one of the popular videos, you can see that this one has gotten him 19 million views. So if you check out the idea here is Cristiano Ronaldo 100 legendary goals, impossible to forget. So this is a very viral idea. So you can as well come here and explore, find out different viral ideas that you can use to create your videos. It's very simple to do.
Once you have your viral topic, you need a script. But what if you don't even watch football? What if you don't know the difference between a tactical low block and a counterattack? Don't stress at all. You don't need to be a sports analyst because we are going to use AI as our ghostwriter. The secret is using a highly specific hidden prompt that forces the AI to sound like a passionate, professional tactical storyteller. Let me show you exactly how to do this on your phone.
Now, this is how I write my script for the professional football highlight videos. Now, if you are good with football, you can write the script yourself. But if you do not know anything about football, just like me, then follow these steps. So I prepared a master prompt. Let me paste the master prompt here. So I just pasted the master prompt. And remember, I'm using Gemini for this. You can use their mobile app or you can use web browser for this. You can use any AI that you have available. Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude. So for this, I'm using Gemini. So now I've pasted the master prompt, and on the master prompt, all I just have to do is, here that says insert your viral player or team topic here. I'm just going to insert the viral video idea that we just got. And for this master prompt, if you need it, I'm going to be dropping it on my Telegram channel. Link to join my Telegram channel will be in the description box of this video, and it's free. So let me enter the idea. So I just entered the video idea. By the way, this is not what I'm creating. This is just to show you how to do this. Cristiano Ronaldo, 100 legendary goals, impossible to forget. You see how Gemini gave us the whole script. This is really, really amazing. From the hook, to the tactical breakdown, to the ultimate counter press weapon, the clutches, and every single thing. So now, if you want to learn how I generate high-quality voiceover, premium voiceovers with human emotions, let me know in the comment section.
Now that we have our viral concept mapped out and our script generated, the next step is finding the raw, premium footage to bring that idea to life without getting struck by TV networks. We have 3 powerful options for this. Let's start with our mobile browser to look at option 1. Meanwhile, if you want to know how I generated high-quality AI voiceover with emotions for the video for free, let me know in the comment section.
So the first option for me for getting clips for the football highlight video is this website. It's called Footballia. Yes, this is my first option for getting the clips. So all you just have to do is to sign up for an account with them if you don't have an account with them already. And at the search bar here, just type in a particular player that you want to get their football videos. You can get their videos up to way back, different years. You can check out their videos of different years. So let's say I'm searching for Cristiano Ronaldo, and then we hit on search. Once I searched for Cristiano Ronaldo, it pulled up the matches Cristiano Ronaldo played all the way from 2002, if you scroll, to current date. So you can get a lot of match histories on this particular website. You can come here and even watch a lot of matches that you want to watch as well. I want to show you guys something. Let me just click maybe the 2002 match. So I just clicked on the 2002 match. This is 2002 match. I'm going to be muting this audio because I don't want any copyright issue. Remember to always mute your audios if you're creating a football highlight videos. So me playing this video with the audio is going to implicate my channel. So I'm just going to play the video. So you just saw the 2002 video. The reason I chose to play this video is that if you look up here, you're going to see this watermark here, which you can easily remove. You can either zoom in or you can use a watermark remover to remove it, because this is one of the major reasons for copyrights. So you can come here and download a particular clip that you want. Now let's move to the second option. Now, my second option for getting football clips is YouTube. Yes, and the third option, you definitely don't want to miss it because it's my favorite. It was the third option that I used to get the clips that I used to create that particular video on the intro. So go to the search bar and search for a particular player that you want to create a video for. Let's say Lamine Yamal. So once you search for Lamine Yamal, it's going to pull up a lot of videos for you. The only thing is that the YouTube method is going to take you a lot of time to find the particular video that you are looking for. So when searching on YouTube, you have to be more specific. Probably if you know the name of the match that you're searching for, please try to be more specific. And then you can download it from YouTube and then clip it out.
Downloading full matches can take up a lot of time and storage on your phone. If you want the ultimate shortcut that the biggest football channels use to save time, you need to step inside the secret editor communities on Discord. Let me show you exactly how to find them using an app you probably already have on your phone right now.
Now, for the third option, which is the option that I normally use, that option is you getting into Discord community where video editors are, where they drop 4K clips of football videos. And for you to get into the Discord community, you need an invite. And for you to get that, you can find it on YouTube. Now, on YouTube, go to the search bar and search for this particular keyword, Football Clip Pack, link in description, Discord. So once you search for this particular keyword, it's going to pull up a lot of videos for you. Now, the key thing for you to do is to play this video, go to the description box of the video or the pinned comment. You're definitely going to find a link. Okay, like this first option now, you can see best Discord server for 4K pack. If you click on this particular video, I'm going to pause it, by the way. Now, if you click on this video, the main thing that you need to pay close attention is the description box of this video. So if you click on the description box, let's see if we are going to find an invite to a Discord community. There is no invite on this video. So we check the next video. We're definitely going to get an invite to join a Discord community. Let's check the second video. So for this particular video, I had to pause it as well. And then we go to the description box. Okay, so we have finally found an invite. This is a Discord invite. If you click on it, you guys see accept invite, accept invite. Now, once you accept invite, you can see this is where you get premium 4K clips. You can see these drives are full of different football videos. So this is my best option, and this is a third option. Let's move to the next step.
Once your phone gallery is packed with high-quality clips that match your viral idea, you are ready for the final step, bypassing the algorithm in the editing room. Even with clean footage, if you leave the video exactly as it is, the automated system might still flag it. You must visually disguise the clips. There is an exact editing formula you need to follow every single time you edit on your phone. First, remember that watermark we saw earlier? Just select your clip in CapCut or any other editing app. Pinch the screen and zoom in by about 10%. This pushes any broadcaster or web player logo completely out of the visible frame, hiding it from the copyright bots. Second, the 4-second rule. Never let a raw football clip play continuously for more than 4 seconds on your timeline. You must create a cut, change the angle, zoom in, or switch to a different play. Keeping clips short completely scrambles the algorithm's tracking. Third, the horizontal flip. Select your clip in your editor, find the mirror or flip tool, and invert it. If a player runs left to right in the real match, your video will show them running right to left. It looks normal to humans, but it completely breaks the digital pixel footprint for the copyright bots. Fourth, always mute the original match commentary entirely. Leaving the original stadium broadcast sound is a one-way ticket to a copyright strike. You must replace the audio track with your own voiceover or an AI voice layer, and place a copyright-free, high-energy cinematic background beat underneath it. And it's important to know that background music is also one of the reasons for copyright. I have noticed this in some of my videos, so I create my background music myself or get one from YouTube Music. Next, add a caption, and then add transitions, like this particular fire transition. I love it. Creating a highly successful football channel directly on your smartphone is entirely possible, but it requires doing things the smart way. By finding a viral angle first, auto-generating your tactical script with AI, sourcing clips from the 3 platforms we explored today, and strictly applying the 4-second editing rule, you are fully protecting your content and setting yourself up for real growth. Take your time to explore these research methods, sites, and groups on your own phone today. If you found this step-by-step breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for JMind Studio, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below letting me know which player or team you are going to make your very first video about. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.